Hello, I'm Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew. Today I am here to show you how, if you have made something and it has worked out too large for you, how to go about taking it in and getting a better fit. So today I am wearing the In the Folds Peppermint jumpsuit pattern, and we can see here there is excessive volume in the hips and legs, so we need to take this excess out. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to take the jumpsuit off and put it on inside out. So you can really see it here, this excess of fabric. So in an ideal world you would want a fitting buddy to come and pin you into position, because as soon as you start moving and twisting, you are going to start to twist your body and move the fabric in ways that you don't want to. So I'm going to go and ask my fitting buddy to come and assist. You need to go down and pin out the excess on both sides. So we'll start just to blend in the seam. Ouch. My fitting buddy is not experienced. Just bringing it so that it kind of comes in a more gentle curve. We don't want these excess wings on the side. So you're going up parallel all the way down, I think. So we're taking out the excess from these wings. We'll do equal on both sides. It's really tricky to do this on yourself because as soon as you start moving and twisting, your fabric is moving, so you need to stand as straight as possible and get someone to help. Even if it's wide, when we come down to it, I can still take it in if you're pinning it parallel. So you wouldn't want to turn your garments inside out if you were aware your body was particularly asymmetric or you wanted a really perfect fit, because you're not going to get that with turning it inside out, because what happens is you flip the two sides over. So this is actually my left side and this is actually my right side, and as I've got it on inside out, it's the other way around. You want a nice gentle curve into where you feel the seam is sitting right. So I feel it's fine above this point, but anything below here is just too much. Make sure you communicate clearly to your fit buddy what you want. I do offer 45-minute fit your make project sessions. If you haven't got anyone to do this for you at home, you can book in with me in my studio in Bawtry and we can do it together. Okay, so using my mum's pins as a guide, I have re-pinned down the side seams, making them more even. We can see on this left side we've got a bit more excess fabric just flopping here. So I will just make sure that that one sits similar to how this one is doing, because this sits much nicer. And then once we've done that, I will draw, I will follow with my sewing machine down the pinned lines and try on again. If I'm happy with that fit, then I will trim off the excess. So that's the stages you need to go through to get a nice fit for your, if you need to take in the side seams of a garment, you made it too big. Hope you found this informative. If you need a fit your make, you can book that on my website, bagladybird.com, or you can come and join the Love and Stitches Club where we do all sorts of things like this as well. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.